Hello guys, in this tutorial we will tell you how to define your app content. The app content section allows you to add privacy policy, define the target audience, notify about app ads, and define instructions to access the restricted part of your application. Click on the app content menu present on the left hand side panel to go to the app content section. Here you can see the to-do list. First, let's add a privacy policy to your app. Click on Start, enter a valid privacy policy URL in the text box, and then click on Save. Now let's go back and move to Ads. If your app contains ads, then you can select the Yes option, else select the No option. Click on Save to save your changes. Again, let's go back to app content and move to app access. In this section, you can provide instructions on how to access restricted parts of your app, if any. If all the functionality of your app is available without any special access, then select this option. Else select all or some functionality restricted option. If you select this option, then click the Add New Restriction button to add instructions for the restricted functionality. Select your desired option and click on Save to continue. Next is the target audience and content. In this section, you can define the target age group of your app and other information about its content. Now click on the Start button. First, select the target age group of your app from the options and then click Next. You'll be redirected to the Store Presence section. Review the instructions and then click on Next. From here you can check the summary of the information added. Now click on Save to continue. Again, go back to App Content to check if the status of the listed options has changed to Submitted. Once your to-do list is completed, you can go to the next step of rolling out the app onto the Google Play Store. That's all for now. Please proceed to the next video to complete the process of submitting your app to the Google Play Store.